Welcome back. This is Jay from the Crypto Orc, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about gambling crypto coin. I do believe in the future that gambling, gaming, the whole metaverse is going to explode, and this is going to be one of those picks. It is involved in the metaverse, and it is also heavily involved in gambling, of course. Even the name itself will say, oh, it'll scream gambling. Before I even show you guys, I just want to say this is not a financial video or financial advice video. It's a entertainment video. So please do your own research. All right, let's get started with this quote. The people that are quick to walk away are the ones who never intended to stay. And this quote reminds me of this rug that I was involved in a couple of weeks ago. It's one of those node plays, and basically my brother and we won a whitelist position, and we were and we used it to get some NFTs from I think it was Solana Network. Anyways, the project rugged. I'm a little sad about it, but at the same time, it's not the first rug I've been in. And yeah, that is unfortunate. And that is one of the reasons why I stopped sharing those node videos, because I just found that a lot of them are, you know, short terms just based on the company. It's too shady, man. Like, they're not docs, they're not KYC'd. The only thing that's uh, giving the trust value is the overall sentiment in the community that's involved, and also these new things called multi-signature crypto. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it. But yeah, don't get into this node plays unless you fully do your research. All right. So the Fed, okay, so they have upped their repos. So this I see is a market positive sign. Yesterday it was at like 1.68 or 63, well, one of those numbers. So it was around there for the longest time, and now it's slowly working its way back up. 10-year yield, I believe. Yeah. So even though this is positive, it has been stable, hovering around the 2% area. So I don't see this as what do you call it, a big pressure in the market. If anything, just gives it a stable floor for it to inflate some more. But we do still have to pay attention to that, because once it starts going up uncontrollably, then boom, it's gonna like pull the markets down. All right, there's another one, the Dixie. Since this is positive, it's going to put pressure on the market. So we got two positives and one negative right now. Crude oil. Okay, so this went up. It's a positive sign for the market. Overall, I see the market going up, but not too much, because we also have to take into consideration that big guys like Backed and CME, their contracts are expiring on Thursday and Friday, and when that happens in a monthly basis, there's a pullback in the market, and yeah, it's part of the regular cycle. Okay, well, so you see, it did go up by a bit, but not too much. Here we have Bitcoin and the negatives still, so I do see it going down a little bit, maybe touching 35,000. But we do, and stable coins, you see them in the past hour is negative. Oh, Binance. Oh, this one is still on the negative side. It still hasn't adjusted to the 1.0 yet. But yeah, so far it's okay. I'm not too worried. We're not going into a bear market yet. We have yet to hit that last part of the cycle. And all this is done by algorithms. All right, so this is the coin that I'm talking about, Casinocoin. As you can see, the name itself already screams gambling. So when it comes to gambling, I do believe it is going to be a huge industry, because with all these people going out of work, they're going to find other means to, make ends meet, and gambling is usually what some people resort to. So the market cap is so low to the point where it's questionable right there by CoinGecko. The max supply is quite high, but just based on its utilities, the platform that it's using, which is XRP, its role in the metaverse too. They have a metaverse. They're going to be inside the metaverse, which is good because the metaverse, according to Goldman Sachs, is going to be like an $8 trillion industry. This will definitely pull in, some money, if not quite a lot, and that is not financial advice. So, I got in, went back in at like half a penny. This guy, so I am at a loss right now, but I'm not pulling my position out because I do trust this project. It's got great real world utilities, which has not yet to be seen. So right now it is at a low, and I do see this as a good dip right here. If not, this could be the bottom. Because once we start going up, heading to the last part of the cycle, this is going to go up. And its old highs, let me see, according to CoinGecko, I think this was a bug. But no, I don't think that's that. That would be cool. Okay, well, fine. Wow, look at that. 2 cents. So if we were to take this number, where we're at, oh, probably lower than that. This, 2 cents, 2.5 cents, that would be like a 25x. All right, so let's see what the current update is. Chimoney partnership is massive for Casinocoin holders. Why? Number one, provides convenient crypto off-ramp. 2, spend tokens with retailers like Amazon, Apple, and Uber. This is going to be done through like gift cards, I believe. Exchange tokens for minutes, text, and mobile data. I remember in Philippines they would have a similar idea. I'm pretty sure we have that option in here as well, where you just keep reloading your phone plan. So I don't use it here. I have paid mobile subscription, so I'm not entirely sure, but I do remember Philippines was similar to that. So, and yes, they're heavily using this in Africa right now, and of course, send digital currency. And I'm gonna show you guys some of that right now. So this is the Chimoney website. Make money or make value move. Send gift cards, airtime, mobile money, and cash to 1 million people globally. It's trusted by Microsoft, Google, I don't know what this is, and Africa Hacks. I mean, these two alone, these two names, it's already big enough. And yeah, they do have like central banking support. So if you take the 6 degrees of separation, these guys, this company right here, which is now in partnership with Casinocoin, are linked to big money or smart money. How to use Chimoney? 3 steps. Create an account, fast selection, and put the value, and then boom, hit send. That's pretty cool. So with Chimoney, you can send gift cards, send mobile money, send rewards, send airtime, and issue in-app rewards. And Casinocoin is going to be one of them. So let's take a look at the countries that are currently involved right now. Mainly African countries, as you can see. In terms of getting data, these are the countries. Mobile money, boom, 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 boom. And yeah, these are mainly African countries. XRP, Stellar, XLM, Cardano are probably are the top 3 that I know of that are heavily involved in the emerging markets, especially Africa. Reason why is because when it comes to the new economy, the main target market are the Gen Z. So they're going to target the young people first, like educate them about crypto, their platform, blah, blah, blah. And once they understand the platform, understand how to code in crypto, they're definitely going to be utilizing their platform more. So that's the cool thing about these layer ones, because you can just build on top of it. And all we gotta do is understand where the big companies are like hiding in or building their infrastructure, and that are you. Oh my goodness, smoke spliff prior to this because that's what I do. Yeah. Where the hell was I at? Yeah, Africa's gonna be big in terms of usage, and now Casinocoin is gonna be involved in this, and I do believe it's gonna expand even more and more, especially as we go towards 2030, where we're gonna own nothing but somehow be happy. Here are the banks that are involved, mainly African banks, and here are the gift cards available for you to purchase. Amazon, uh, some gaming card, Fortnite, that's a big game. I don't know what these. Oh, and Xbox. Jeez, oh man, they better find a way to move in the metaverse because their consoles, I believe, it's going to become obsolete unless they find a way to connect it and have easier access for people. Because if not, if they can't find that bit, reduce that friction, they're gonna lose to other companies that are making it easier for people to merge inside the metaverse. That is just my honest opinion. You can take it with a grain of salt, do your own research, and remember, this video is not financial advice. Product wise, yeah, I don't know. Digital currencies. Here are the currencies that Chimoney is now using or moving across the globe. Of course, Monero would be there as a privacy coin. Some people just don't want to be, seen with what they're doing. And from their current understanding, the situation, they still can't find this person that made this. And what's his name? John McAfee loves using this. So this is definitely a good privacy coin if you want to get into that niche. Layer 1, or I think there's a layer 2, a scalable solution for Ethereum. So yeah, take a look, guys. These are Sheeb, XRP, Compound's another one, pretty good one. USDC, Avalanche, Phantom, Tezos, Solana, DAI. That's a stable coin similar to USDT. USDT is kind of fishy. We don't know fully what's backing it. That's another guaranteed pick right there. Basic attention token as well. Binance, Spankcoin. Never heard of that. So there's Ethereum and Stellar Lumens. Wow, told you. The only one that's not listed here is Cardano, which I'm surprised. All right, here's also another reason why you should be paying attention to the gambling industry. We have the celebrity right here, Drake. Deep pockets. Drake has bet over $1 billion in virtual gambling since December 2021, and people like these guys, they always have a connection to someone that knows some really good information. So, we should be careful with what they're saying, but follow what they're doing. Pay attention to their actions. And recently, in the Super Bowl, rapper Drake made $300,000 in profit after gambling over $1 billion on the Super Bowl. But this guy, Odell Beckham Jr.'s game-ending injury just before halftime cost him, wow, $700,000. But having news headlines like this is definitely gonna get the attention of a lot of people. They're gonna be looking at other methods of acquiring money, and I do believe they're gonna be influenced by gambling a little bit more when they see their celebrities, which people trust or learn to trust even more than their own intuition. Yeah, they're gonna be following celebrities like Drake, following their movement, and yeah, I do believe that Casinocoin is going to capture a lot of that market. And anyways, that is all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. And yeah, hit that subscribe button so that way you get notified when I come out with the next cool free value information. Enjoy.